In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change the country on your Google account, which is perfect if you just moved or it's set incorrectly. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and open up a web browser of your choice and go to google.com. And once you are on google.com, go ahead and select on your profile icon up in the top right and then select manage your Google account. From here, you might have to sign in. If not, go ahead and just navigate over to your personal info and then scroll down a little bit until you see this addresses tab right here. What you're going to want to do is select it and then hit choose on map to select your current address. And then hit choose on map and select your current address. You can adjust this to a different country just by swiping out, finding wherever you are. Let's say I'm in, Germany, for example. I could just put that just like so. Now, if you do have a country already on here, you are going to have to remove that existing country first and then type in the new country you want. For example, Germany, right? Or Belgium or the Netherlands, right? And then hit save. After hitting save, it's going to update your Google account and your country. All it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.